the education program, it's great. It's a little bit smaller, which is just my speed, right? You really get to interact with your classmates, get to see them through the 4 years that I've been here, and the professors as well. You really get to build great relationships with them. They really teach you how to be a great teacher, how to be present in the classroom. You really get to see just how varied the students are, their needs in particular, and their responses to certain situations. So you really have to learn what students need on the fly, how to address them in a timely manner while still addressing a classroom of 30 students or so. I have been interested in teaching for a while, but it really started off firstly with an interest in the content. Always loved history classes in high school and took a sociology class my senior year of high school, and I just fell in love with it. I had a great teacher, Mr. Siderwicks, at my high school, and just really got me engaged. So that really got me passionate about teaching as well, seeing what I could do in the classroom, seeing what I can bring out of students. That was fantastic. You know, I've had my struggles as a student, right? And I wanted to kind of help address students that might have had similar struggles, right? You don't know what a student has going on in their home life, and I really want to help dedicate myself to these students, make sure they have a great experience in my classroom for how little time I have them each day. So far, my student teaching experience has been great. I have a fantastic host teacher. She really helps to set a professional standard and level. She's very well balanced and has a lot of expectations for her students in classroom management. So that really helps me with seeing where I want my classroom to be, where I want my students to be at with their behaviors, right? Just making sure I'm showing up every day, doing my best, and being as professional as I can be. I think Indiana State has done a great job preparing me for that.